I have a secret. My friends think I'm just worried about my bank account, but they are wrong. On this paper, there are words I can't say out loud. Not yet. Today, I am not going to teach you grammar from a book. I'm going to show you how I'm turning my pain into a song. I'm going to explain the lyrics, the feelings, and the English behind every line. Please stay with me until the final note. I need to know if you understand my story. I sit in my room. I have a notebook and a pen. I also have a paper with words on it. I write a line. Then I cross it out. I write again. Then I cross it out again. I feel angry. I feel sad. I feel tired. I look at my phone, but I do not want to call anyone. I just want to write. I have a secret. I'm not just a girl with an empty wallet. I'm a girl with a broken heart. Think about you. When you feel sad, what do you do? Do you talk to a friend? Do you cry? Do you listen to music? Write one word in the comments. Talk, cry, or music. I take a deep breath. I look at the first line in my notebook. I want to say one thing. Please go away. I write it. Please go away now. This is a strong sentence. Go away means leave this place, not tomorrow. I keep holding in my feelings, and I write the next idea. I write, don't come back. This is also strong. It is not polite English. It is real English. People say it when they are angry or hurt. I stop for a moment. I look at the window. Outside, the street is quiet, but inside my mind, it is loud. I remember him. I remember his face. I remember his eyes. I remember all the times I waited. I waited, and he came back again. So I write my first verse. I just want to look again and see inside your eyes everything we left behind. Now, left behind is simple. It means something stays in the past. It does not come with you. Then I write the next line again. Please go away now. And then I write, don't come back to find me. Find me is easy. It means come and look for me and then see me. I think about the next line. The next line is so important. This is my promise. Because I won't be there. This is future negative. It means in the future, I am not there. I am not waiting. I am not coming. I am gone. Now I write one of the strongest lines. Leave me alone. Can you repeat with me slowly? Leave me alone. This is very common English. It means I want space. I want peace. I want you to stop. Now I look at my notebook. The verse is simple, but it is true. I read it again slowly. I just want to look again and see inside your eyes. Everything we left behind. Please go away now. Don't come back to find me, because I won't be there. Leave me alone. Do you feel the emotion? If you do, write yes in the comments. Now I want to write the pre-chorus. The pre-chorus is like a bridge to the big part. It is where the feeling grows. I think about my life with him. I think about my time, not just money, time. Last month, I learned something about money. Small things become big money. Today, I learned something about love. Small pain becomes big pain. I write, after all I went through, running after you. Went through means I lived it. I was inside it. It was hard. Repeat with me. I went through a lot. And running after you is a strong picture. It means I follow you. I try to get you. I try to keep you. But you do not stop. You do not wait. Have you ever run after someone? Not with your legs, with your heart. How did you feel? My music is being born, and I had no idea that I was capable of this. And I write the next line. When I can forget you, you make me lose it all. This line is the heart of my song because it is the cycle. I try to forget, then he comes back. Then everything breaks again. Look, when I can forget you, you make me lose it all. Now I am ready for the chorus. The chorus must be simple and strong. It must say one clear message. I write, don't come back for me. I just want a reason to be happy. This is a very human line. We all want a reason to be happy. Not a big reason, sometimes a small reason. Now I write, I am leaving now. Please don't follow me. This is a clear boundary. A boundary is like a line. You do not cross it. And then the last lines, I am going now on a road with no return. Now, road is an easy word. A road is a street, a way, a path. No return means no coming back, no turning back. Now I stop. I put the pen down. My hand is tired, but my mind feels calm for 1 second. I read the chorus again. Don't come back for me. I just want a reason to be happy. I am leaving now. Please don't follow me. I am going now on a road with no return. This is not just a song. This is my decision. Now I write the bridge. The bridge is short, but it hits again. It repeats the pain, because pain repeats in real life. When I can forget you, you make me lose it all. Sometimes the best writing is simple, not many words, just true words. Now I look at my clock. It is late, but I want to sing this song tonight. I stand up, I look in the mirror. My eyes are red, my face is tired, but I see something new. I see strength. I put on a jacket, I take my notebook. I walk outside. The air is cold. The street lights are on. I walk to a small place near my home, a small bar, a small stage, not many people. I sit in the back for 1 minute. I feel shy. I feel afraid. But then I remember. Last month, I changed my money habits. I said no to coffee. I said no to small things. Today, I say no to him. I walk to the stage. After doing a few song covers, I want to present my own song. I can't keep it only for myself. I look at the microphone. I hold my notebook with both hands. I say quietly, I wrote it for me and for my heart.
I just wanna look again and see inside your eyes everything we left behind. Please go away now. Don't come back to find me, because I won't be there. Leave me alone. After all I went through, running after you, when I
I say goodbye to the people. Thanks for listening. I am Valentina, and this is my song, Please Go Away. Now listen to the full song. Listen 3 times. Can you understand every word? Write the word road in the comments if you are listening.